Hi, I'm Harshal Duke.
Hi, I'm Vihan Duke.
We're the developers of CalmCampus and are here today to show you how exactly it works. Loading into the app, you're going to be greeted with two options. First, it'll ask you to go next, or if you already have an account, it'll ask you to log in. For the sake of this demonstration, let's go on to create a new account. First, it'll ask you your name. For a test, we can put in my name. Next, it'll ask you for your email. This is used for login purposes. Lastly, it'll ask you to create a password. For example, if your passwords don't match, it'll show you an error message. However, once your password is properly set, you will be greeted with the main page. First, before the main page, it'll ask you how you're feeling today. Let's say I'm feeling happy today. And you're going to be greeted with the main page now. There's going to be a couple of things you're going to be greeted with first of all. You're going to see the activity tracker, the mood tracker, and your journal. I will now go on and show you what logging in looks like. Pressing the login button, you're prompted to enter your email and password. After the verification checks that, you will now be shown your main homepage. This account has obviously been tracking data for a while, as you can see that the mood tracker has been tracking the days that you've been active on the app and showing you the moods that you have seen. As shown by the mood tracker right now, you can clearly see an upward rise in mood. As you can see from the 15th to the 18th, I was in sad mood, and then from the 20th to the 23rd, I rose from neutral to happy. This will help other people see what their mood trends are like. Now, you can also see your activity tracker, which tracks your daily goals and how many activities you've done per day, which can also be changed in order to enter a new goal. And lastly, you have your journal. To show you what the journal does, you can click on the journal and enter a date. This is helpful for high school students as they're able to enter their to-do lists. For example, if I have to do soccer practice, math homework, and algebra test studying, I can save my note so that whenever needed, I can pop back into the journal and look at what my to-do list is. This helps reduce stress and anxiety in students as it'll help them organize their tasks. Moving on, we have the activities page, which then again gets tracked in the activity tracker. Over here, there's 3 sections: meditate, relax, and articles. In the meditation section, you are able to participate in guided breathing practices, movement-based exercises, mindfulness exercises, and practicing loving kindness exercises. For example, let's look at breath awareness for now.
Welcome to this guided meditation for breathing. Begin by getting into a comfortable seated position, preferably in a
time,
and letting your palms rest
you can move back in time,
crossed.
and you can pause if you want to take a break. Next, you can go on to some of the relax options there are. These are all games for high school students to be able to enjoy relaxing while staying engaged. First, there's soundscapes, which help calm down high schoolers through various sounds. There's animals, ambiance, weather, footsteps, and ASMR. For example, let's take a look at some rain noises. This can also be paused by tapping on the button again. Next, you have the Garden Creator app. This app is special as it prompts users to try to find the rare flower. This also helps build relaxation as they do a calming activity such as planting flowers, which is resemblance to actually planting a garden in real life, which stands for Zen and peacefulness. Lastly, they're able to do artistic expression and draw whatever they want. For example, a happy face. Lastly, there are articles that they're able to read through in order to learn more about helpful tips in order to managing their mental health. Lastly, moving on to the profile page, you're able to track your mood scores over time to see that trend that I previously talked about. As you can see, you see a clear upward rise. And below that, you're able to see your activities completed log, which is a log tracking how much time you spend on the app each day. Each activity that you do counts as an activity done. As you can see, on September 24th, the activity counter just went up from 17 to 18. This shows how much you engage with CalmCampus and helps you keep track with your goals. Lastly, users are able to go into the settings, change any of their user settings from nickname, email to password, learn more about CalmCampus, or activate dark mode if they prefer a more darker visualization rather than the blinding white light. Overall, CalmCampus has been a long-standing dream of me and Vihan, and we have poured a lot of passion and dedication into developing it into what it is today. We truly hope that by downloading CalmCampus and utilizing the multiple benefits and resources within the app, that we are able to help either you or any other individual that may be struggling with stress, anxiety, or mental health issues from the school environment. We hope that students, by downloading this app, are able to create a positive environment where they are able to reaffirm their thoughts and be able to live a better and healthier life.
Thank you for watching. We hope you download the app to try it out.